Happy New Year and welcome to the weather planning briefing for Sunday, January 1st, 2023. So first off, we'll take a quick overview with the weather impacts. To start the week out, we do have a ridge of high pressure over the region, so not much of an impact from that Monday or Tuesday, just some fog. And then Wednesday evening, Wednesday night into Thursday, that ridge breaks down, so we get a little bit more active weather with some snow impacts, but expect those mainly to be like nuisance level impacts, not a lot of snow accumulation. And then that will sort of continue into the weekend. So this is for Monday, tomorrow, and you can see the ridge of high pressure that's built up over western Montana and that portion of the Northern Rockies and central Idaho. That's going to help keep conditions very stable, and with that stability we'll see some fog, mainly in the valleys. That ridge breaks down towards the end of the week. This is 11 p.m. Thursday, and sets up this southwest flow pattern in the area, which is really good for precipitation and snow. We do expect most of that snow to sort of fall along the Montana-Idaho border, maybe a little bit more up into northwest Montana, and then a little bit of it will kind of creep out across western Montana. But most of the moisture with that will stay in central Idaho along that area, and we'll just see some light snows into Montana. Even that, the main storm track right now does remain down to the south, heading towards California, and then the U.S. Southwest. So that's where most of our moisture is going to be going. So even in the areas that do pick up more moisture in central Idaho out of this, it's still not going to be very much. And then sort of looking beyond the week ahead, we can look at the 8 to 14 day outlook. And for temperatures across the region, we're looking at a slightly above normal chances for above average temperatures. And the same thing for the moisture. Again, most of that moisture impact is going to be focused to the west, and will be kind of on the sort of the trailing edge of that, picking up sort of what's left over after the Cascades and the Sierra Nevadas and whatnot extract most of the moisture out of what's coming in from the west. So just a quick recap: we have some fog and stratus in the valleys to start the week. Then the ridge breaks down mid to late week, that Wednesday night, Thursday time period. And then we have active but still mild weather to the end of the week and into the weekend. That is the briefing. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Our phone number is 406-329-4841.